In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer service in American Eagle. We'll walk through the quickest way to reach a live agent using the chat feature on the official American Eagle website so you can get help with orders, returns, sizing, or account questions. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the American Eagle homepage. Once the site loads, stay on that main page and scroll all the way to the bottom. You're looking for the footer, the section with lots of links grouped under headings like Help or Customer Care. In that area, find the link labeled Contact Us. When you see it, click it to open the support page. On the Contact Us page, look for the section that says something like, Let's chat, we're here for you. That's where American Eagle hosts their live chat support. Click the button that says Chat with Us. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the site to open the chat window, or it may appear as a new tab. You'll now see a short form before the chat begins. Type your name in the name field so the agent knows how to address you. There's also a field for your email address. This is optional. Adding it can help with follow-ups or a transcript, but you can leave it blank if you prefer. When you're ready, select Start Chat. You'll be directed to the chat center and placed in the queue. Wait times can vary based on how busy it is. Keep the window open and make sure your internet connection is stable so you don't lose your place. While you wait, it helps to have key details handy, like your order number, the email you used at checkout, and brief notes about the issue so you can get answers faster once an agent joins. When an agent connects, say hello and provide a clear one-sentence summary of what you need. Then share any necessary details the agent requests. For privacy, never type sensitive information such as full credit card, numbers, or passwords in the chat. Stick to general account details and order information only. If you step away and miss a response, check the chat window for messages. Some sessions time out if there's no activity. When your question is resolved, you can close the chat window and you're all set. That's it. By scrolling to the footer, selecting Contact Us, choosing Chat with Us, entering your name, and starting the chat, you'll reach American Eagle customer service quickly and efficiently.